Hello everyone, in this video, we're going to learn what is the meaning of ethics, their scope, and their nature. So, let's start. We are going to start discussing what is the meaning of ethics. Ethics come from a Greek mythology word ethos, which means moral character or conduct. It is the branch of philosophy that deals with determining what is right and wrong. It seeks to answer questions about how people should act, what constitutes a good life, and the basis for moral judgment. It often involves examining the consequences of actions, the intentions behind them, and the virtue or character traits that individuals should cultivate. So, sinasabi rito na tinutulungan tayo ng ethics kung paano tayo kikilos na naaayon sa tama. Tinutulungan niya rin tayo na makapag-isip kung ano ba yung magiging consequences ng ating mga kilos at kung tama pa ba ito o mali. And the next that we're going to discuss is the nature of ethics. Ethics refer to guide what human ought to do, usually in terms of right, obligations, fairness, and a specific virtue. Also, ethics is a normative science, and it is a science of character. It is not a practical science, and it is not an art. Sinasabi rito na ang ethics ay nagbibigay ng gabay sa atin sa tamang pagkilos, lalo na kung tungkol ito sa tama at mali. Tinuturuan tayo nito kung ano ang dapat nating gawin para maging makatarungan at tama ang ating mga desisyon. Sinasabi rin dito na ang ethics ay isang normative science, kung saan nakatuon sa mga patakaran kung paano natin huhusgahan ang mga kilos ng isang tao. Ayon din kay Immanuel Kant, ang mabuting kalooban ang pinakamahalagang bagay kaya't mahalaga ang patakaran ng ethics at hindi lamang sa iba pang layunin. Sinasabi rin dito na ang ethics ay hindi art sapagkat ang sining ay nakatuon sa resulta subalit ang ethics ay nakabatay sa motibo o layunin ng tao. Ayon kay Mackenzie, ang ethics ay hindi isang science na naglalayong makamit ang isang tiyak na layunin kundi ito ay gabay sa tamang pamumuhay. The last part is scope of ethics. The first one, we have normative ethics, which it deals with standards or norms by which we can judge human actions to be right or wrong. It seeks to determine moral standards and guidelines for conduct. Next is applied ethics. It is also called practical ethics. It is the application of ethics to the real-world problems, and practical ethics it attempts to answer the question of how we should act in specific situations. Last one, metaethics. This field explored the nature, meaning, and foundation of ethical concept. It addresses questions about the origin of moral values, the objectivity of ethics, and the meaning of ethical terms. And that's all. Thank you.